Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Study Solution with Ravi Kumar. Today we will solve the exercise of Chapter 4 Log on to Logics. So open your book and let's start step by step. Exercise. Question 1. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Blank is also known as text area. Answer. Input box. Input box is the place where we type commands. B. Blank primitive is used to exit from logo. Answer. By. By command is used to close logo. C. Blank primitive is used to draw a line along with its movement. Answer. Pen down. When pen down is active, the turtle draws lines. D. Blank function counts number of characters. Answer. Count. Count function is used to count and display the number of characters in a word. E. Blank displays the name of opened application. Answer. Title bar. Title bar shows the name of the opened application at the top of the window. Question 2. Complete the following. A. I am also known as graphics screen in logo. Answer is main screen. Students, graphics screen in logo is also called the main screen. B. I am the command used to bring the turtle to its starting position. Answer is home. Home command brings the turtle back to its starting position. C. I am the command used to display any text on the graphics screen. Answer is label. Label command is used to display text on the graphics screen. D. I am the command used to exit from logo. Answer is by. By command is used to exit from logo. Question 3. Write the use of following primitives in logo. A. FD. Answer. FD means forward. It is used to move the turtle ahead, forward by giving number of steps. B. BK. Answer. BK means back. BK command is used to move the turtle backward by the given number of steps. C. CAS. Answer. CAS means clear screen. It is used to clear the graphics screen. It erases all the figures drawn on the graphics screen. D. CT. Answer. CT means clear text. It is used to clear the text. It erases the command from the output recall box. Question 4. Write the difference between A. HT and sent. Answer. HT. It is used to make the turtle invisible. It makes the turtle disappear from the graphics screen. Sent. It is used to make the turtle visible. It brings the turtle back to the graphics screen. B. PU and PD. Answer. PU. It is used to move the turtle without drawing any line. PD. It is used to enable the turtle to draw the line with its movement. C. LT and RT. Answer. LT. It is used to turn the turtle towards the left anti-clockwise. RT. It is used to turn the turtle towards the right clockwise. D. Quotient and remainder. Answer. Quotient. It is used to divide first number by the second one. Remainder. It is used to get the remainder by dividing first number by the second one. Question 5. What do you mean by mathematical function with respect to logo? What is their use in logo? Answer. Small program that takes input and gives output, used for calculations and easy learning. Question 6. Write logo commands to draw a house. Answer. Repeat 4, FD100 RT90. FD100. RT45. FD70. RT90. FD70. RT45. So students, today we completed the exercise of Log on to Logics chapter. I hope you understood all the answers clearly. If you liked this video, like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Study Solution with Ravi Kumar. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you students.